is a nucleus. A word is a nucleus of the language, which is a means of communication. I told you yesterday, love words, words love you. If you leave words, fill up the blank. Love words,
Words love you.
if you leave words,
Words leave you.
if you kill word,
Love you.
please. If you kill a word, word kills you. Very, very important. Okay? Very, very important. And coming to this side, in life, that communication, verbal, non-verbal, is inevitable and inevitable, which you know perfectly. This is just to motivate you towards the verbal communication. How it? The structure of verbal communication. A graphic picture. Okay? Word to phrase, group of words giving incomplete meaning, and clause which has subject and predicate of its own can stand on its own as an individual sentence, a larger part of the sentence. And here simple sentence, complex, compound, all these three constitute to make one paragraph, a stanza in a poem, right? And paragraphs make essay, and essays make a book. Book makes knowledge, knowledge gives wisdom, wisdom makes
Life.
okay? Yes. Pardon? Louder. Not necessary. Not necessary. And whenever something is taught here, please do not follow any book. Not necessary. Not necessary. Come with us. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us sing songs.
Yes, sir.
Let us sing songs.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Rhyme and rhythm.
Rhyme and rhythm.
All together at once. Okay. Rhyme and rhythm.
Rhyme and rhythm.
Learn a phoneme.
Learn a phoneme.
Now two lines together. Rhyme and rhythm. Learn a phoneme.
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 Come on.
Rhyme and rhythm. Learn a phoneme. Rhyme and rhythm. Learn a phoneme. Rhyme and rhythm. Learn a phoneme.
Very good. And here, in an atom of a syllable, you know syllable means. In an atom of a syllable, vowel be a nucleus. You know vowels and consonants we have. Vowels and consonants. And in fact, we say vowels. And people say from Telugu background, those are not trained properly. Vowels, buksulu. What is it? Buksulu, buka, Hindi. Either we Telugu is English or Hindi is English. Don't we? Sincerely. Either we Telugu is English or Hindi is English. Or Urdu is Tamil is. Don't we? Or ఎంత సంజాయించినా ఆనికి ఎంత సంజాయించినా దిమాకులో ఠికాయించట్లేదు. ఆనికి ఎంత సంజాయించినా దిమాకులో ఠికాయించట్లేదు. ఉల్టా బదలాయిస్తున్నాడు. ఉల్టా బదలాయిస్తున్నాడు. The interesting thing I tell you, let us analyze the sentence now. How mistakes commit. That is completely secular Hyderabadi statement. Right? Secular Hyderabadi statement. Purana Basti English or Purana Basti sentence. Alright? So, enta. Aniki. How this word has come? Ataniki. Unko. Unko ataniki both mixed up like NDA. Okay? Ataniki. Unko. Aniki. Surprise? No Telugu? Alright. Ataniki. Unko. Anito. Ek sentence. Enta. Okay? సంజాయించిన సమజానా అంటే I will tell you. సంజానా. So I is mixed up. సంజాయించు. Okay? సంజాయించిన I is mixed up. అట్కాయించుండు. We were standing in the line of the fellow came and గుసాయించుండు. So సంజాయించిన then దిమాకులో దిమాక్. Lo is friendly joining. Lo దిమాకులో ఠికాయించట్లేదు. ఠిక్ ఠిక్ नहीं है. So this is due to cross-culturalization, native language influence, mother language influence, neighbor language influence, local language influence. We can't say it is bad. It is acceptable colloquially in society. We can't say it's bad. The speaker must be understood by the listener. That is correct communication. The speaker must be, come on. The speaker must be understood by the listener. That is the communication between the speaker and the listener. The speaker must be understood properly by the listener. Any language. So, but we are supposed to standardize language. Understand? Now something, vague language. Got a point? So this is due to neighbor language, local language, mother language influence. So this influence have word initial, word final. Definitely. Either word initial or word final. Most important point you must note down. This influence of native language, other language to a foreign language, now the mother language to a foreign language, word initial, word final. For example, have you seen this RTC bus ads here and there? Travel in Telugu version. Jet card or jet cake? Jet card konandi something. Okay? Travel?
As you like ticket.
No, you're not telling sincerely.
Travel as you like.
No.
Travel as you like.
Huh?
Travel as you like.
No. No, what is it on the bus? Back side. There's a mistake. Travel as you like.
As you like.
Understand? Travel.
As you like.
Repeat. Travel as you like. Ya is wrong. Ya is wrong because ya influence word initial, who influence word final. For example, APPLE. But some people say yapilu, yakshanu, yaktaru. Don't they use it? Pen is there, sil, or any other letter, any other word. So here vowel works like a declass in a matter of the syllable. And consonant frame, okay, and vowel breathes, just rhetoric expression, okay, and syllable branches, making structuralizing the sentence. Then accent rhymes. Accent means what? Style. Accent means, please take down, stress. Accent means stress. Stress mark. I tell you left one. Accent means just take down stress. For example, where are you going? Somebody puts a question. Suppose you are going to London. How do you say? I am going to London.
Yes.
Here, London is focused. The basic point asking person where? Hither, London. The London gets accent mark. Who is going? I am going. I gets accent. Okay. What are you doing? Going. Understand? So what are you doing means going. London, accent mark. Okay. I am going, accent mark. That is